going on, people? There's another video. Thank you for tuning in. This is the Odd Laces channel. We're here on YouTube doing the full unboxing and review. These shoes do come out November 19th, so just be aware of your raffles, your local stores. You know what to do. Into the main part of these are the Air Jordan 1s, Lost and Founds. There's a particular story to these. Opening the box, it does come with the receipt. Also comes with the newspaper ads. The shoe is supposed to come out paying homage for a shoe that came out in 1984. It shows you that the shoe was at one time on sale for $29.99 in 1985. That's the newspaper. And the receipt, final sale, says $14.99. So if you were alive in August 30th, 1986, you had a chance to pick these up for $14. Like I said, these are coming out November 19th. Quick little view. This has a sale colorway. It represents that this shoe's been sitting in storage for 30 years. These little crack sensations on the heel that has been worn off. The leather. But this shoe is beautiful. Can't wait till this shoe comes out so we can get more pairs in for you guys. Like I said, November 19th. Be aware of your raffles, sneakers app, all that good stuff. That's one. Does come with the shoelaces like the original version. It does not come with the lace bag like these versions come. You know the vibes. Once again, bringing you a full review of the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Founds. How does that look? Personally, me, sneaker of the year. You can quote me on that if you want. I am calling it. This is sneaker of the year. This is by far the most beautiful shoe that's come out all year. Next to the Pandas. Retail on the box, it doesn't say this year, but they are coming out $180. Little quick comparison to the trophy rooms. The trophy rooms did come with the ticket to get into the game. These are already legit checked by eBay. Like I said, these came compared to this year's. Beautiful shoe. Put this one back. So what do you guys feel? Comment down below. Let me know. Are you guys in the cop or drop?